What are the main differences between pension providers? Well, in a way, PensionSync exists because there are differences between pension providers. The obvious one is that they all operate with different formats to upload data, the member maintenance and contributions. Some pension providers do that through one file, some pension providers do it through two files, but they all do it in different ways. They also communicate worker instructions, opt-outs and refunds back in a different way. They also store their scheme design data in a different way. So every way that we interact with each pension provider, it's in a different way. And that's PensionSync's job, to sit there in front of those providers, scoop it all up, smooth over all of the differences, and provide a homogeneous experience back to payroll software users. So it feels like that regardless of who the pension provider is that the employer has chosen, the experience is the same, and it's automated, and it's done without manual data loading. Other differences I could talk to you about are the way that they handle authorization. I mean, that's a big thing. It's an emerging thing to do with data automation technology. Some use Basic Auth, some use OAuth. Again, very, very difficult for payroll software to work with those different kinds of technologies, particularly if your payroll software on the desktop and the provider is using a three-legged OAuth authorization process. Because you're not operating a web server, you can't receive the tokens back. The reality is that PensionSync is the only feasible model for working with multiple pension providers in an automated paradigm, in an automated way. That's why we built the product, that's why it exists, that's why we recommend you use us.